Right, back again. Nice to see us. Here we are on this job at West End again, at Grey Road. And we've got these front half of the house stumped, because we're trying to get the builder to be ready to put the slab in for the footing. Do that footing next week. Trying to get him that so I can then work at my own speed on that back lot. But he's able to get the footing in and do the retainer wall. So we've done the posts, they're in. I've done the $2 coin. I don't know if you can see it down there, but there it is. You see it there? I can see it on the camera, so you should be able to. $2 coin in every hole. Paying forward, always do that. And of course I do it at the same time as I'm conscious of the guy I'm working for. So in this case it's Jeff, so I throw the coins in thinking about Jeff and making sure it's positive feeling for Jeff as I throw those coins. For those that don't understand that, start learning. Positive energy does wonders. There we go, those ones are in. We've got the one around there. We'll see how far we go. We've got 2.5 metres of concrete coming, and we'll see how far we go with that. As long as we get the ones in the footing and a couple at the front here, I'll be very happy. All right, okay, just short and sweet, and we will catch you guys again soon, okay? Happy viewing. Check out the other videos and look forward to seeing you real soon with some more. Okay, love you guys. Bye.